Hi, babes. I know na nagugustuhan yung mga surprising my boyfriend, pranking my boyfriend na contents ko. Pero this time, para magkakatotoo na siya, sis. Oh my God. So, life update 101. I've been talking to this guy. Like, he is from US. We've been talking for a while now. Ang arty. Napag-usapan namin na baka pwedeng mag-visit ako doon or mag-visit siya dito. I'm not ready. So, nag-research ako ng agency na pwedeng makahelp sa amin parehas. And, may na-discover ako na visa agency and it's called Filipino Visa. So, as a newbie in a long-distance type of relationship, I need guidance, sis. Kasi, ayaw namin parehas ma-denied if ever na pupunta siya dito or pupunta ako doon. And perfect tong visa agency na to kasi, nung nag-sign up ako, meron silang free consultation. Free consultation for 20 minutes. And yung makakausap mo dito is visa expert talaga. So, hindi ka mag-worry kasi alam talaga nila yung ginagawa nila at ano yung sinasabi nila. Less hassle siya, sis. Kasi, oo, sabihin na natin ay ikaw magpo-provide ng papers, pero may guidance ka. So, hindi ka malilito, hindi ka maliligaw, and hindi pa ulit-ulit. Ito, sila yung mga sample ng mga naging successful yung relationship dahil sa Filipino visa. Like, sana all. So, if you're like me as a newbie in an LDR relationship, this is the best visa agency that could help you bring your boyfriend here in the Philippines or for you to go in the US. So, if ever you're interested, the link is on my bio. Click it, sign up, and have a free 20 minutes consultation with a visa expert. Bye!